Hey guys, so I promised you guys that I was gonna get 2 videos up this week, and I'm gonna stick to my promise. Today is Tuesday the 19th. I went live last night, and I thought that all of the live video downloaded, it obviously did not. So I'm sorry if you guys didn't get to see all of the live. But yeah, I'm going to be making. I wanted to make chicken cacciatore tonight, but I wasn't in the mood for it. I wanted to make it, but I didn't know if I would. My palate was really ready for it tonight, so I decided that I'm gonna make chicken Parmesan with some pasta and asparagus. So I'm headed to Walmart to pick up some chicken breasts. I have some in the freezer, but they're frozen and I don't have time to put them to defrost. So I'm going to pick up some more pasta and some chicken breast. And I have some marinara sauce already at home, and I already have the mozzarella cheese. And I need to get a clip for my not a clip, but the base, a new base for my tripod for my cell phone, because the one I had broke. So I'm gonna go on the Walmart and see if I can find that, and then I'm gonna also look for a jewelry stand, like something that I can display the jewelry on as I talk about it. That's pretty much it. So I went to the hair store to get some more hair so that I can finish my hair tonight, and that's pretty much everything that's really been going on. Had me some Starbucks today. I was supposed to go to a program, but I was late because I didn't get much sleep last night, so I kind of overslept this morning, and that's pretty much it. It's about 3:30 now. So I've been just trying to get little stuff done at Walmart now. And that's pretty much it. Not really a lot going on. I felt a little out of place today. Some days I go out of the house and I'm completely fine. I don't have to wear makeup every day, as I've said before. But today I beat myself. And sometimes, I'm not gonna say I feel self-conscious with makeup on. I just feel like people stare. They stare. I don't know if they staring because they think I look like a clown, or they think I'm cute, or what. But yeah, I just don't like when people stare at me. I don't think anybody likes it, but I don't like it. I think the funniest thing that happened today, as I was in the I went in the gas station, and this guy I could see him out of the side of my eye staring at me. And when I turned around, I was like, "Hey, how you doing?" He turned red. He was blushing so hard, y'all. He looked like he had cherry cheeks. It was so funny. And I wasn't trying to scare him or put him on to call him out or anything, but this guy turned so red, and he was smiling, and he was trying not to smile, and I just kind of laughed it off. But it was just really weird to see somebody blushing so hard at a stranger. But I got my stuff and got out of there real quick, and I noticed him kind of staring at me. But I get that a lot. I can usually tell when people are smitten by me a little bit, especially my Caucasian males, because they turn red. and they can't hide it with the blushing. Like the blush gives them away, but they blush, and I just think it's so funny. But yeah, he just turned so red. It was too hilarious. But yeah, I'm just trying to find parking at Walmart. I don't want to park too far out because it's about to rain. I'm not worried about my makeup moving if it rains because this face ain't going nowhere. I don't care how much water you throw on it until I put some makeup remover on it. She's not moving. But I don't want to get my hair wet. So yeah, gotta find a parking spot. Other than that, it's been a really chill day. Ain't too much been going on. I was up last night going over some stuff and watching Von Sil's TV. Let's see, what did I watch last night on YouTube? I watched Von Sil's TV. I watched The Bill Plus One. I watched Valencia, Product Junkie XOXO. I think now her channel is called My Kids and I. And yeah, what else did I watch? I watched Patrick Star. I went back and looked at some makeup videos from Mitra B. And yeah, I was binge watching last night. And tonight I'm probably gonna watch Lori's channel. It's another young lady. She's I think she's Indian that I watch. I binge watch. I binge watch the shows that I really want to watch. So yeah, I usually try to catch up on those channels. I like TV, but like my life be all into the YouTube. I be trying to see what's going on YouTube. I think I'm slightly addicted to YouTube. But yeah, that's pretty much what happened last night after I did my live chat and I talked to my sisters. And I've been trying to plan out a video because I know it's wedding season, and I wanted to do a video on how to make a 2-tier wedding cake for under $75. And yes, y'all, you can make a wedding cake for under $75 if you know what you're doing. Just a 2-tier cake. So I'm trying to plan out that video and see how I'm gonna do it. First of all, I gotta figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with a 2-tier cake, because I can't eat all that cake, and I'll probably just cut it up and give it away. But trying to figure out what cake and like what design I want to do. But I just want to show you guys how you can do a wedding cake on the low, you know, because everybody be getting married, you know, and cakes are expensive. Sometimes I feel like in the culinary industry, the amount that they charge in bakeries for the cakes are a little outrageous. It does take a lot of work and the ingredients are not cheap. However, I know for a fact that, and I'm about to spill the beans, a lot of bakeries use cake mix. They have different types of cake mix. Some are high end, some are low end. Some bakeries actually make their cakes. You can tell. But a majority of a lot of these little small bakeries, to cut down on overhead costs and food costs, they actually use these big giant bags of cake mix, and they just know how much you use for each size cake. And I'm only telling y'all this because I know from experience, because I've worked in these places, and the amount that they're selling these. Oh my god, look at that contour, girl. I'm back. But yeah. I'm back. But yeah, so a lot of them use like pre-made cake mixes. And like one bakery I worked at, I was so disgusted with them because they were selling a carrot cake for $45, and they basically used a white box cake, a little Debbie cake mix. I think it was Duncan Hines cake mix, which nothing is wrong with a box mix, but they used a box mix. They took some carrots, some cinnamon, some golden raisins, and a couple of other things, and vanilla, and threw it all in there. Now the cake, it was actually delicious, but the fact that they sold that damn cake for $45 and it only took them $5 to make it was disgusting to me. The icing comes in these big batches, these big containers. They pay like $25-$30 for. So when you think about how much they charge this person for this 12-inch cake, and I mean, they just basically piped some rosettes on it. I find that grossly disgusting, that they would have a customer thinking that they were getting a made from scratch cake with all fresh ingredients. And the thing about it, the carrots were not even freshly grated. They were frozen. Like they would buy the big bags of shredded carrots and freeze them. So yeah, stuff that goes on in the industry. Not all bakeries like that, but you do have a few that are really scandalous. But anyway, let me get into Walmart and get what I'm looking for. I'm gonna show y'all the hair that I've been using real quick. It's the Model. It's the deep wave, the style of it. And this is it. This is what I've been using in my hair. And so far I have 5 packs in. And I'm gonna add these 2. And then that'll be it. But yeah, this is what I've been using in my hair. So I got 2 more bags and that should let me get through. But yeah, let me get into the store and I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm in Walmart and I'm going. Ouch, I just hit my shin bone on the basket, but I'm in Walmart and I'm trying to find the arts and crafts section, and I passed it looking for the jewelry section. Probably down here. So I don't see it, y'all. Yeah, it's almost school time. I have time for people to go back to school in a month or 2, month and a half. I have a little cousin who's getting ready to go to the University of Tuskegee. She got accepted to Tuskegee with a full scholarship. So I'm so excited for her, and I can't wait to take her to get some stuff for her dorm room. But yeah, I'm super excited for her. Super excited. Alright, guys. Alright, loves. So I'm home. I spilled some wine on me when I was opening the bottle. So ignore the spillage. Alright, so I'm home. I've gotten out of my nice dress. And tonight we're going to make chicken Parmesan. Yes, so I have everything laid out. I have the 3 chicken breasts. I have some breadcrumbs. I have marinara sauce. I have my pasta over there. I have my 2 eggs. And now I just need to grab some flour. out of the pantry. And some seasonings. I'm only gonna be putting some onion powder and garlic powder and a little bit of seasoning salt on the chicken. And I'm really not gonna talk a lot through this video. I'm gonna speed it up so the video is not too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up and get my stuff together. Then I'm gonna show you guys how to split the chicken breasts and roll them out and how to get them the perfect way. I already have my pan on the stove and everything. I picked up this olive oil I wanted to try from this little store here in town. And this is not a review. I just wanted to talk about it because the olive oil, they sell olive oil and different types of balsamic vinegar and different things like that. But it's the olive free. And it is stationed here in, I mean, it is not stationed, it is located here in Enterprise. And they have a vendor out of there. The olive oil and the balsamic is from an olive grove, I think, in California. And they have all kinds of balsamic vinegar and all kinds of olive oil. And the one that I wanted to try with this chicken parmesan, and this little bottle was $5, but let me tell you, it has the best smell and taste. Like, oh my god, I've never had olive oil this good. You can't find olive oil like this in the store. But this little bottle was $5, but it was so worth it. So I'm going to use this tonight to do my chicken parmesan. And this is the Tuscan herb infused olive oil. And like I said, I found this downtown Enterprise. They gave me a business card. And it's not that good, but yeah, I like it. Some of the balsamic vinegars they had the pineapple, they had peach, they had raspberry, just a lot of different things that you need for specialty recipes. They had all kinds of infused olive oil, so it was really nice. But yeah, this is just a lot of the things that they have. They have sesame seed, white truffle oil, basil, blood orange, garlic, lemon, rosemary. The Tuscan herb is the one that I have. Wild mushroom and sage, chipotle, and just a lot of different ones. So I like to shop local because a lot of the times in small towns like this, the local shops keep the local people employed, and you don't ever want to live somewhere where there's not good local shops and you're just stuck buying grocery store items. Sometimes you need specialty items. So I was really excited to see this store, but I'll link everything about the store down below in the description box. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I'm just gonna pour some flour in here. And crack my eggs. And flip that over and pour out some breadcrumbs. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and start the video. Most of the video is going to be sped up so you guys can see the process of me doing it. This is going to be not really a tutorial, but just to show you guys what I'm having for dinner tonight. And I'll see you guys back here in a second. I'm going to get to slam this chicken parmesan, okay? Okay. Can you listen to it? Yeah, I'll see y'all back here. Alright, y'all, so I got everything in the oven. My eyebrows look hella crazy today. I think I made them too dark. But yeah, so the chicken parmesan is in the oven. The roasted vegetables are, I'm about to put my pasta on. I had to get some more marinara sauce because I ran out. And yeah, so I sent someone to get those for me. And I'm just waiting for everything to get done. But overall, it's been a really good day. After I finish dinner, I don't really have much to do in the kitchen, so I'm going to finish cleaning up the kitchen after I eat and finish my hair. And then that's pretty much going to be the end of everything. I know earlier today because I removed some of the clips from my phone because usually when I do daily vlogs, I use my phone. I don't like to carry my camcorder or my Canon camera around. But I removed some of the clips from my phone for this vlog and uploaded them to the computer. And why did I say today was Tuesday the 19th? Y'all, today is the 19th, but it is Monday. I'm a whole day ahead. This weekend was just crazy trying to get everything organized. And I overslept today. I was just exhausted. And that's pretty much it. I tried not to talk a lot in this vlog because I wanted to add in some music, because last time people was talking about the music was too loud, they couldn't hear me talking, so I'm probably not gonna play. I didn't do a lot of talking in the kitchen, but yeah, I'm still learning about my software and stuff, and every vlog is not gonna get perfect, but I try to push out the best that I can. Sometimes you can remove stuff from the vlog, or you can remove stuff doing editing or shift something around, and volumes and stuff can change and you don't know it until it's too late. But I'm not about to re-edit a whole video because of the sound when it was predominantly focused on the food. But yeah, I'm just chilling on the sofa, and my dinner is almost done. The chicken parmesan is smelling absolutely delicious. And yeah, about 2 minutes I'm gonna put my pasta on and take my vegetables out and toss them around, because I just want to roast. I just want them to get soft. I don't like them too soggy. And that's pretty much it. Overall, today was a good day. It was just a little crazy. I have a headache, and I know it's because I done braided my hair too tight. Like, do y'all see that? Yo, that front part is, I braided my own hair too tight. It's not tight to where it's gonna make my hair fall out or I'm getting like little bumps, but I'm tender-headed, so that's not life. But I just wanted to check in with you guys for a minute, and I'm gonna go put the pasta on and just kind of, you know, fall back and hang out. I hope you all enjoy my version of chicken parmesan. Let's get one more look at the plate. Close up. It's just really it's a little bit of a process. It's not the quickest meal to make, but once you finish it, ooh yeah, baby, it is absolutely delicious. And you can't do Italian food without drinking. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess I'll see you guys back in a couple days. That's what we have for dinner tonight. If you guys like these type of segments too, and the traditional type of cooking tutorials, let me know, because I will definitely try to incorporate them into everything that's going on here at Bama Cafe. So remember, treat people like you want to be treated. It's the summertime. Work with the body that you have. Okay? Just work with what you have. Try to keep a lot of fluids. Move around. Get out. Do a little bit of exercise if you feel like you need to. But don't feel the pressure to be skinny or don't do anything unhealthy to try to get into a bikini. Because, girl, all these handles be on the beach. Okay? I'm just saying. I'm gonna eat this chicken parmesan. I'm gonna pray about it. I'm gonna get my butt up and go to the gym in the morning. That's how I'm living my life. But what was I saying? Yeah. Remember, food is love. I love you guys. Remember to treat people the way you want to be treated. You have good days. You have bad days. Just pray and try to get doing the best you can. Remember that every day is not gonna be perfect, but if you wake up, it's a perfect day. And treat people the way you want to treat, because you never know what they're going through. You know, sometimes people walk around with a lot of trash and garbage in their life, and they walk up on you and they just dump it all on you. And you just have to, you know, say a little prayer, kumbaya, and keep it moving, because that person may just be in a really, really dark place, and it's not your place to go there with them. So, I love you guys. I'm about to eat, and I will holler at y'all later.